Hello everyone, welcome back to KCJ Radiance. Do you ever feel drained, overwhelmed, or like you're absorbing energies that aren't your own? Today, we embark on a journey to reclaim our power, using wisdom as old as the world itself. We will learn to protect our energy with the 4 fundamental elements: earth, air, and water. These aren't just components of nature. They are ancient living forces that reside within and around us, offering profound strength and sanctuary. By connecting with their essence, we can build a powerful, multi-layered shield of protection that keeps our spirit vibrant, clear, and sovereign. So find a comfortable space, take a deep breath, and let's begin this transformative practice together. Before we build our shield, let's take a moment to understand the unique gifts of each element. Think of them as 4 guardians, each offering a distinct form of protection. Earth is our foundation, the anchor that keeps us stable and grounded amidst chaos. It offers unwavering strength and resilience. Air is the element of intellect, breath, and communication. It sweeps away mental fog and confusion, bringing clarity and freedom. Fire is the spark of life, our inner sun. It represents passion, courage, and transformation, burning away negativity and purifying our energy field. And final, water is the element of emotion and intuition. It teaches us to flow, to adapt, and to cleanse our hearts, offering deep healing and emotional peace. Together, these 4 elements create a complete, impenetrable fortress for your spirit. Let's begin by calling upon the steadfast power of earth. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing. If you can, imagine your feet are planted firmly on the rich soil of the earth. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, visualize roots of golden light extending from the soles of your feet. Burrowing deep, deep down into the heart of the planet. Feel these roots anchoring you, connecting you to the immense, unshakable strength of the earth. Picture this terrestrial energy rising up through your roots, filling your feet, your legs, and your entire body with a sense of profound stability and security. This is your earth shield. It makes you unmovable, grounded in your own power. No external force can push you off your center. Feel the solid, protective embrace of Mother Earth surrounding you. You are safe. You are supported. You are grounded. Now, let's call on the element of air to create a shield for our minds. Bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply, imagining you are drawing in the crisp, clean air of a mountain peak. Feel it fill your lungs, bringing with it clarity, focus, and divine intelligence. As you exhale, visualize this breath forming a whirlwind of shimmering, silvery light around you. This is your air shield. See it swirling gently, creating a protective vortex that deflects scattered thoughts, negative projections, and mental clutter from others. This shield is your personal space of mental sovereignty. It allows you to hear your own inner voice without distortion. With every breath, you reinforce this barrier of light. Your mind becomes a clear, open sky, vast and untroubled. You are free from mental intrusion. You are centered in your own wisdom. Next, we ignite the sacred flame of fire to purify and empower our energy. Bring your hands to your heart center and imagine a tiny, warm spark glowing within your chest. With each breath, you feed this spark, allowing it to grow brighter and warmer. See it expand into a magnificent, radiant flame of golden orange light. This flame is your inner fire, your courage, your passion, your life force. Now, visualize this fire expanding outward from your heart, enveloping your entire body in a vibrant, protective sphere of light. This is your fire shield. It is a dynamic, living barrier that instantly transmutes any negative energy that comes near you, turning it into neutral light. It burns away self-doubt, fear, and stagnation. Feel its empowering warmth. This shield fills you with courage and confidence. You are radiant. You are powerful. You are purified by the sacred flame. Finally, we call upon the healing element of water to soothe our hearts and emotions. Imagine a gentle, cleansing rain of pure, crystalline light beginning to fall from above. Feel these soft, liquid droplets cascading over your entire being, washing away any emotional residue, stress, or sadness you may be holding on to. Now, visualize this water beginning to flow around you, creating a shimmering, fluid shield of iridescent blue and silver light. This is your water shield. It is calm, adaptive, and deeply healing. It allows you to feel your emotions without being overwhelmed by them, and it protects your heart from emotional turmoil from the outside world. This shield creates a sanctuary of peace within and around you. It moves with you, flowing and adapting to any situation while keeping your emotional center serene and balanced. Feel its gentle, loving embrace. Your heart is calm. Your spirit is at peace. Now, let's weave these 4 powerful shields together into one impenetrable aura of protection. Remain with your eyes closed and bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the golden roots connecting you deep into the earth, solid and unshakable. Sense the silvery whirlwind of air spinning around you, keeping your mind clear and focused. Feel the radiant sphere of fire glowing from your core, empowering and purifying your entire being. And see the tranquil shield of water flowing gracefully around it all, keeping your heart calm and serene. Visualize these 4 elemental forces merging, blending, and harmonizing into a single, multi-layered shield of brilliant, opalescent light. This shield is a living extension of your own divine power, forged from the very building blocks of creation. It protects you on all levels, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Take a moment to sit within this fortress of light. Feel its immense strength, its perfect balance. You are completely safe, sovereign, and held in divine protection. To seal this sacred practice, let's affirm our connection to the elements and our own sovereign power. As I speak these words, allow them to resonate deep within your soul. Feel their truth in every cell of your being. You can repeat them aloud or silently in your mind. I am grounded and protected by the strength of the earth. My mind is clear and shielded by the wisdom of the air. I am courageous and purified by the sacred flame of fire. My heart is calm and protected by the healing flow of water. I am safe. I am sovereign. I am divinely protected. Take one final deep breath in, holding this feeling of complete safety and empowerment. And as you exhale, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, you may open your eyes. Remember that your energy is your most sacred possession. It is the essence of who you are. By practicing this elemental shielding, you are honoring and preserving that divine essence. You can return to this meditation anytime you feel the need to recenter and protect yourself. Live in harmony with the elements, and they will always be your guardians. Thank you for sharing this beautiful practice with me today. If this meditation resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more content to nourish your soul. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. May you walk in peace and in power. I'll see you in the next manifestation.